What's up, guys? Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to start a six-figure online business with exactly $0. And no, this is not clickbait, and it's going to be about starting a Facebook ads agency. And you can start this today, get your first client in just a couple of weeks, paying you $1,000 per month or more. So let's jump right into it. So why should you pay attention to this video? First off, no, this is not another clickbait video. The reason I'm really passionate about the subject is because this business really changed my life. So real quickly, I'm not going to take very long here because I know you guys' time is super important. We're going to get right into how exactly you can do this for $0. And also I want to mention real quickly, if you already know about this business model, if you're already doing this, I'm basically going to also go in this video how you can get clients without spending any money. This is going to be like, I'm not even joking. You can get your first client with literally $0. And that's where I think a lot of people go wrong. But my story, basically, if you don't know me already, my name is Billy Wilson, and I was a college dropout. I made like a viral post about it. You guys can check out my other videos on my full story. But basically, social media marketing, well, actually more specifically, Facebook ad agency, allowed me to quit my 9-to-5 job and work from home every single day. Right now, I'm making over $10,000 every single month consistently, all due to this business model. And I was in college at first, went to a 9-to-5 job, and it allowed me to quit in the fastest way possible. So if you guys are familiar with some of the other business models out there on online marketing, like drop shipping, Amazon selling, you can start this one with $0. And on top of that, the other thing that's hugely beneficial compared to the others is that you can quit your job, quit your college much faster than you could with the other business models, because all you really need is 2-3 clients. Think about how much money you would need right now to quit your job or quit college and feel confident that you'd be able to live a sustainable income. For most people, that's like $3,000. So you're gonna need 2 to 3 clients max, paying you $1,000 per month, or normally my clients pay me at least $1,500 per month. So you can actually do less than that. But let's say 2 clients. All you need is 2 clients to be able to quit your job. And that's why I chose this business model, and it barely cost me anything to start up. This was so amazing for my situation that I was in, and that's why I'm so passionate. I'm happy to share this with you today. So first, before I even jump into it, I don't even want to talk about my own results anymore. These are some actual people that are in this business that basically messaged me on Instagram, sent me an email. This guy right here, Duncan, he's 17 years old, and he's making $8K a month from doing this. How about that? 17 years old. I bet most of you guys are probably older than that, and this dude's making $8K a month already. Right here, got his first client from my help. And then Ace in here, you can see he got his first free trial from my videos. So that's how much this video is going to help you today. So I hope you really stick through to the end so you can actually change your life with this video, just like I was able to change mine, and these 3 people right here were able to change theirs. And I have tons more than this. It's actually insane. So these are just 3 that I pulled up real quickly. So I don't waste your guys' time. I'm going to go straight into it. How does this business work? Simple as businesses will pay you to give them new customers. And we're going to do this through Facebook ads, because we're going to be calling ourselves a Facebook ads agency. So if you're familiar with social media marketing, you probably see Ty Lopez things and ads and whatever. You're probably familiar with social media marketing, most of you guys, if you're watching this video. Why do I do Facebook ads instead of social media marketing? I'll be honest, I started with social media marketing. But the reason I switched over to Facebook ads only is because it's so much easier to sell. It's so much easier to tell a business, hey, pay me $1,000 per month. I'll give you $4,000 back. Like, that's the easiest deal ever to sell compared to social media marketing. You're like, pay me $1,000 per month to post stuff on your Facebook and Instagram and stuff. I mean, it's so much easier to sell, basically telling somebody they're going to make more money from your stuff, and that's what business owners really care about. They don't care about social media that much. Other reason is it's less work, because you don't have to post everything all the time. You can just set up your ads once a month, and let them run out. And keep performing as long as they're performing, which they should if you watch my videos. How can you do this with no sales ability? Because, I mean, when I started, I had 0 sales ability. I'm doing this complete beginner. All you have to do, offer business free trials to see results, and then they'll become a client because they see the results. You've shown, you have over a week's time, whatever, you implement the stuff that I'm about to show you here in a second. You brought them, let's say 3-4 new clients. You've brought them $1,000 in revenue, and 4 weeks times 4, you're going to offer them a free 1-week trial, free 2-week trial, whatever you decide. and you're going to show them the results. And then once you do that, I mean, if you make them $1,000 in a week, it's pretty obvious that they're probably going to be perfectly happy if you're charging them $1,000 a month when you're making them $4,000 a month every month back. You invest in the stock market, you invest $1,000, you get $4,000 at the back at the end of the year. That's an insane investment. That's 4 times your money, just basically giving you guys money. So it's a really easy close at that point once you've shown them the results. And this is all you have to do to say. This is all you have to say to these businesses, and you can talk to chiropractors, dentists, gyms, yoga studios, like literally any business you can think of, you can do this for. Car dealership, whatever you want. This is all you have to say to them. I'm a local digital marketing business owner trying to build my case studies, and I was wondering if I'd be able to volunteer a week's worth of my time to bring you in some new clients. And you can even mention that you have a mentor helping you out. That's me. You can share some of my results that I share in some of my other videos, whatever you want to do. And that's all you have to say to them. And like, you're going to get no occasionally, but I mean, who's going to say no to this? It's a free, the business has like almost no risk to them at all. So not really too much of a worry there. And most businesses will say yes if you're genuine about it. You just have to put in the time to actually go and do it. So why would somebody pay you to get them clients? Well, this is like the value of a client for a chiropractor or dentist. Each client to a chiropractor or dentist worth over their lifetime. So what I mean by lifetime is like, so let's say on average a client for a dentist stays for like 2 years. Over that 2 years, they're going to be worth about $4,000, $8,000 because every 6 months they're coming in for a visit. They might have cavities and all this other stuff. They might refer some people. So every single client you bring them, so even if you bring a chiropractor one client, you've made them $4,000 in return over the next 2 years or so. You bring them 10 clients, which is easily doable in a month's time. You bring them $40,000, $80,000. So if you brought them some month time, you're charging $1,500, $2,000 total. You have more than 10 times their money. That's why businesses will pay you to do this. 20 clients, it just gets even crazier as the numbers go on. But even if you just bring them 5 clients in that first month, which is basically 1 per week, you charge them $1,500 per month. And keep in mind, these are monthly clients. It's not just a one-time thing. They will pay you every single month to continue doing this. You just bring them 5 clients in 1 month. You've brought them $20,000. You think they're going to keep paying you? Yes, they're going to keep paying you if they're paying in total $2,000 per month. And they're getting $20,000 back over the course of the next year. Like, it's just super obvious stuff like that. So how do you bring them results? Almost done here. Just got a couple more slides for you guys. Number 1, and also just so you guys know, if you're watching this, you already know about me and stuff like that. I'm going to get into the how to start with $0 here in a sec. Really close to that part. Facebook ad. So how do you bring them results? First, you just simply run a Facebook ad. You offer something of value for a free or reduced price. You can see this more in detail in lots of my other videos. You run them to a lead form, which is actually different if you guys are have seen my videos in the past, or go to a lead form. So this is all built within Facebook, and I'll show you the link that you go here to get this. All you have to do to get to this is search in Google Facebook Ads Manager. You link it to your Facebook account, and you can literally play with it right then and there. You can create Facebook ads, and I'll show you what a real Facebook ad looks like in a sec. You guys have seen them before. You've been on Facebook. You've seen ads before. So you'll understand exactly what I'm saying here in a second. And then after you put in so they click the Facebook ad. They're trying to get this. Let's say it's a free 7-day pass to a gym. They click the Facebook ad to get that pass. It pops up a form where their name, email, phone number goes. They submit that to get their free 7-day pass in exchange. The gym, that information that they just submitted in the lead form will go straight to the gym. The gym will call them up and get them to come in the door. That's exactly how this works. And then all you're going to do on the thank you page is basically deliver the free pass, whatever you've decided on. So what does this look like in real life? Simple as this. Here's a Facebook ad example right here that I ran for my gym client. We've been working together for 6 months now about. This client pays me $2,500 per month, and as you can see, they basically offer a free 7-day pass. This is a video of the gym. You don't have to do a video. You can do a picture, whatever you want to do. And you can see it just offers that. It talks about some value that the gym provides. Here's the lead form, and actually on Facebook, since Facebook has your full name, email, and phone number, even though it's not shown in this picture, it will automatically put this information in. So if you clicked on this ad on your own Facebook profile, your name would already be here, your email would already be here, your phone would already be here. All you have to do is press one button, that's submit. That's why this is so powerful, and that information is going to go straight to the gym. And then they're going to call you up, gives them this, basically tells them, like, please schedule a tour ahead, etc., etc. So let's jump into it. How can you start with $0? All you need to start this business is a Facebook ads manager. So you need a computer to do this. And, I mean, I'd say 99% of you, I mean, if you're watching this right now, you probably already have a computer. So I don't know how you'd be watching this right now if you didn't have a computer, unless you're watching it on your phone or something. But you can even make these ads on your phone, although I would suggest having a computer. I mean, go to your freaking library if you need to. I don't even know. Just make it work. Facebook Ads Manager is free forever. It's never going to cost anything. Zapier, this is the thing that you use to send the leads to your clients or possibly send like, for example, if you do the 7-day free pass, to send an email to the people that got that 7-day free pass. You can start with a 14-day free trial. That's plenty of time to get a paid client, so they can be paying you $1,000 per month. But even if you can't get your paid client in the 14 days, which you should be able to easily do if you actually put in the work and the time to learn all this, and you do it effectively. Let's say you get 3 clients on a free trial in case the other 2 don't work and only one ends up to work out. You get 3 clients at the same time started on a free trial. You got 14 days to get one of them paying, one of the 3 paying. I mean, pretty high chances there if you actually get the results and you know what you're doing after watching my videos, whatever you need to do. And actually, I'll show you guys how to learn more in a second. But other than that, even if you don't get them in the 14-day free trial, it's $20 per month. Your worst case scenario, you're going to be starting this business with $20. I mean, you can just sacrifice 2 McDonald's meals for this business that's going to be making you 6 figures 6 months from now if you actually put in the effort. And then ad spend. The ad spend will actually be paid for the business. So to run Facebook ads, you have to pay Facebook to run the ads. If you guys didn't understand already. So when you're asking for that free trial, all you have to ask for is like $150 to run ads for them to show them the results. I mean, $150 to a business, that should really be nothing. If they're having a problem with the $150, you're probably not going to end up to be a good client anyways. But to a business, investing $150 in advertising is literally nothing. You guys will figure that out. So how do you learn more? Want to learn more? Option 1, you can go ahead and you can watch the other videos on my channel, and I specifically put these together. And you can try to put all this together on your own. Maybe get your first client 3 months from now. That's how I personally did it, because there's nobody like myself to teach me how to do this. Or you have option number 2, where you can save the time and headache, get your first $1,000 per month client this month, and get me as your mentor. So if you want to go the mentor route, obviously going to cost money, but use the link below to get access to my 6-figure agency program that includes over 50 step-by-step videos and lifetime access to my private mastermind. And no, I don't want you guys to know. You don't have to feel pressured about this at all. This is just my offer to you to get my program out to more people if they actually find that it would be helpful to them. Don't think I'm going to sell you, because I got a little bit more value to give you guys. So I don't want any of you guys to feel like you're being sold to right now. And that's not what I want this YouTube channel to be about. This is only for people that would help. And the reason I offer this in my videos occasionally is because I wish I would have had this opportunity when I first started. And I understand that not everybody might not want to take advantage of this. But I do want to mention that 6 test group spots are available right now. And that would be a total of 35 people. I only open like a couple test group spots at a time because I don't want the group to get too filled. I'm trying to grow it slowly so that I can spend the quality time with every single person that's in there. So after the 6 are filled, there will be a total of 35 people. That's how small this group is. So LinkedIn is going to be in the description. And then with that said, the last thing I just want to finish this off with, a little bit of motivation for you guys. Which person are you going to be? Are you going to be the person number 1? 95% of you who watched this whole video, you felt smarter, but you'll end up to never do anything with it. You'll just watch this video. You'll try your different, I don't know. You feel like you got smarter, but you didn't really progress at all. Or you're going to actually be the 5%, the people like this showed you in the testimonials and myself. Are you going to actually take action on the opportunity you've been given and actually change your life? And you're going to do this today. You're not going to put this off till tomorrow. You're going to actually do this today. I don't care if you get into my program or not. I just care that you take action today. You start learning today. You actually start going out to businesses and asking them these questions to provide these trials. And you're going to start learning right this second today. And you're going to start taking action, because this is actually going to change your life just like it changed mine. Think about it right now. Picture yourself 6 months to a year from now. You're making $10,000 a month. You're working from home every single day. You get to go on dates with your girlfriend, whatever, any day that you want, any time that you want. You can do it you can go on a date at 12 o'clock in the middle of the day for 3 hours. You can play some Fortnite in the middle of the day for 3 hours. That's what I just did. I literally just did that. If that's the kind of lifestyle you want to live, and you get to control how much you're making, you get to control everything, then this is your opportunity right now. And stop jumping around on all these different things and actually do something today. Pick something and just stick to it. Just stop jumping around already. Just pick one thing and do it. I don't care if it's this. I don't care what it is. I don't care if you get in the 6-figure agency program. I don't care if you watch my YouTube videos. Whatever you do, just get it done today. With that said, I wish you guys the best, and I hope you enjoyed this video. With that said, if you haven't subscribed already, do that, because you're going to get more videos like this, motivational, really high-quality content that will teach you how to build a 6-figure online business. Hope you guys have a great day. I'm out.